Welcome to Volatility 411 for Equity Armor Investments. I'm Joe Teagate. Let's jump right into it. The S&P 500 is actually flat right now as I'm recording this video. We were lower to start the day after we got some weaker than expected economic data. This is 2 straight days of bad economic data sending the market lower, and also bonds higher with interest rates falling. So it's been an interesting dynamic that is maybe the story shifting of bad news is starting to turn into bad news as we have the expectations for a soft landing getting smaller. So we had a great first quarter. We had a lot of the stocks that were beaten down in 2022 had a great rally to start the year. Some of the risk on names were great to start the year. That's starting to unwind. We're seeing the risk off trade coming to play in a big way. You know, today is a great example. We have the utilities leading the way, which makes sense. If interest rates are now going to be cheaper, maybe people want to put their money instead of in bonds, instead of into some equities, which pay a higher dividend. That, of course, is what utilities are known for. So we'll be watching how that plays out. This week, we have more economic data. We have the jobs number coming on Friday. The market won't be open on Friday, so that'll be interesting to see how the volatility levels play with that. We have a day off, which usually suppresses volatility, although there's a big unknown with the jobs data, which will usually makes volatility rise. So I'll be curious to see how that reacts, and it should set up for an entertaining week next week, to say the least. And it is going to come down to how quickly this economy unravels and slows down. The bond market for some time has been saying, forget about this soft landing. There's going to be a recession. The equity market, if the first quarter is any sign, has not priced in any recession. So these earnings, or the expected earnings, have to come lower if there will be a recession. So we'll have to wait and see how that plays out. We're starting to see some of the first signs that the economy is softening. For Equity Armor Investments, I'm Joe Teagate.